the other colors, but of course I still went with the pink because it was the best one. That's me just trying the bag in the mirror, really cute. And they gave me some water. That's my mom paying. And then this is me, not yet, this is me in the mirror. Super simple outfit, you know, just chill. Then this is me just saying bye, walking out of the store now. And then I decided to go in Louis Vuitton. Okay, guys, to help me out. So this bag right here, this one is the Alma BB and this one is the Speedy. Let me know which one you guys like more.
Yo, my people, I pray. Welcome back to our brand new Lord and people. Let's say pray. Yeah, man, say there is a people. But that's a kick off the ball here in the great 119, you know.
Bujubanton has gotten himself a private jet. And a quarty and penny he take fi buy a private jet and to maintain a private jet. The money that you have to pay to the airport alone to keep your private jet in that hangar at Norman Manley are some whole heap of US dollars. No little boy cannot own a private jet. And Bujubanton has done it. Congrats, son. Congrats. But if Buju do it, you know Vybz Cartel can do it too.
Yeah, I think that's the simple thing that we dog down.
Because Bujubanton's performance fees is between $250,000 US dollars per show. And sometimes depending on the show, where it's at, if it's in a big arena or whatever, he can get up to $500,000 US dollars per show.
Yo, that's some whole heap of money that in a 119.
But Kartel is getting $1 million per show. So Kartel can buy 2 private jets.
And a bad man gear this. Hard work gear this.
2 private jets Kartel can buy. You probably can buy the yacht that Michael Leachin did buy and sell back. 300 million Michael Leachin make the yacht for and sell it back. Boy, some money are run pan them money. Boy, I don't know. Yeah, some money are running the man. What am I do with money? What them money I gonna do with money, man? Them artists here, what am I gonna do with money? What am I gonna do with so much money?
Why, Mr. Man, come out here and say, Vybz Cartel for the back to school treat.
So, Kartel, a lot of people is reaching out to me. I'm 23 years old to go back to school. I normally keep it every back to school, but this back to school, I am wobbling. Nothing now really catch up. I have so much stuff to deal with for myself. I am asking you if you could keep a big back to school treat in stadium where a lot of mothers could get bags, books, pencils and stuff says.
People, you can't say Switzerland as some real life batty boy in a real life. Cause look on a thing like charity. You can't afford to keep a charity, but you want to keep charity. If you can't afford charity, you don't leave it alone, man. Them a boy you know always want to put in a basket when you can't reach, boy, you beg Vybz Cartel money. You chop, you try chop, bum buckle of Vybz Cartel.
Wait, say, if a man want something from Cartel, I know.
Kartel! I just beg you 3 lion.
How many you beg Kartel one little house? If you buy me one little house, then I buy up. Buy me one little house. How long and Kartel you now buy me the house? Hope to know. You know, pay 119 of mine. I don't hear from you. Kartel, I'm still waiting. But Bujubanton is the luckiest man who ever lived. No man on the face of this earth has ever been as lucky as Bujubanton.
They say dog lucky. So tell me something about Bujubanton, no? My hell of them man now 119. Tell me something about that, man.
Because you know that Bujubanton was arrested by the feds, charged for trafficking in cocaine, caught on camera tasting cocaine, convicted for trafficking in cocaine in a federal courthouse, sent to a federal prison, sentenced to 10 years. How much years in sentence? 10 years in, though? I think so. 10 years imprisonment in a federal penal institution. Walked out of prison, was deported to Jamaica, and by some miracle or by some act of God or by some voodoo, some obia, some witchcraft, some science, I don't know. I would like to know Bujubanton science man. How Bujubanton was deported to Jamaica after being convicted for trafficking cocaine in the federal system. Come to Jamaica, and within a few months, he was back in America.
Where's some powerful science work?
Legally. Never go cross the border. I am sure Buju don't never go cross the border because he fly up there now on jet. I think they were saying it is college jet, but I hear it is his private jet. But he didn't go across the border. He didn't have to run through any sewer water and jump over any fence and run from a border guard. He legally went back to America by some heavy science.
Wait, so not even layman, sir, can get rid of science.
No, sir. Me not think a cream soda and grapefruit do that. And rapid and black candle. Me not think of it. Or something heavier than that. Make Buju set back foot in America. Get back all work permit. Work. What? No. No. This is one for the history books. How did that come about? Nobody has questioned it. So 119, you don't have to depend on 119 all the time, don't. Is 119 now questioning it? And I don't want anybody thinks me a born bad lamb for Buju. I'm a grudge Buju. I am happy for Buju, actually.
Yes, say there is a people. I'm going to swag one of my cars early. See, pray.
Vybz Kartel, you know say enough of them artists a lag out long time. Yeah man, from you there work out my brother. Enough of them artists a lag out long time and they on Instagram, TikTok, mostly WhatsApp.
Alkaline is back in full effect. Alkaline just drop a blood class song, Key Man, for dancehall. Yo, Mr. Kartel get this, Massacre get this, Tamale get this, everybody get this. The girl them still a do brata.
Whether him a girl in or not, whether him like when brata run pan him or not.
So slow rhyming, Madsuus, please. That way you say I go lay me up. You are. Yeah. So slow rhyming thing. Everybody on the team have a role. Play your role.
Hey, maybe I think Madsuus said this up Alkaline. I'm surprised how I see man a big up Alkaline to reality. But never did I expect this.
Him like when brata run pan him or not.
Al boy Madsuus. You know why man them not take away your bumbo cloth for you say I embarrass the Gaza waste man Madsuus. You make me start get a dislike in you. You move like a son like a fool pan the media. Tell me I tell you that. After man them say you're a batty boy, man them say you're a fish. Man them diss up your ass and say you're batty up your name and me see you come pan media. One bag of free chat me here and make pan the media for your company media.
Madsuus, just stick to your role. Please. Yes. Alright, good.
whether him like when brother run pan him or not.
Go pull on your phone and tap drink your bumbo bag of street right then. Come on and say you're a fish and I don't see your company media come bomb plot qualify now. Be a son of a body boy chat me here making a Madsuus. Straighten up your folly ground hombre and stop move like a body boy youth on the media. You're a punk. Come on for the media youth and go labor. And the media not fit you know. Remember DJ they tell us if you love certain things bad man. Remember Kartel they tell us to love certain things dog. The media not fit you because you look like a idiot. Stop water down your Gaza youth. How then gain your blood drinks a prison? So I come like you start, hey youth, I love how you move dog. And straighten up your folly ground brother. Bad man and put on your phone them brother.
Yes, so there is a people who don't know, you know. If you rate so far, I really appreciate it, you know. You see, pray. Yeah, man, the people, man, soon in our next upload, that's it.